Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's cook up a tempting rohu fish fry today. I missed recording the marination, but it's simple. Just mix chili powder, black pepper, salt, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. Then coat the fish well and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour for better flavor absorption. Now let's do the frying. Let's heat some oil in a pan. Once it's hot, lower the flame and gently slide in the fish pieces one by one. I was carefully adjusting the fish with my hand since it's a shallow fry, but I don't recommend doing it this way. Always be careful while handling hot oil. Use a tongue or a spoon to adjust the fish to avoid any accidental burns. Safety first. Did you know? Raw fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. It's also packed with protein and essential vitamins like B12, making it a nutritious choice. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Now let's check and turn the fish pieces to the other side, gently. The whole house is filled with the delicious aroma of fish fry. But wait, want to reduce the fishy smell? Add a few lemon peels or bay leaves to the oil while frying. It works like magic. Now look at the crispy golden fish coming out of the pan. Before taking it out, I usually increase the flame for a few seconds. This helps release excess oil from the fish. Place it on a tissue-lined plate to absorb excess oil. I have another set to fry, so let's do it again. That's so tempting. The blend of ginger garlic, pepper and lemon gives it an amazing flavor. And yes, I couldn't resist. I tasted it and it's awesome. Here is our crispy, spicy and delicious rohu fish fry, ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.